Toy House!
Oh, snap! Me, Toy House Boy, and today we're reviewing a new stuff. I'm not going to tell you until I open this up. That kind of rhymed.
Alright, you need some help
This
there,
is
kid.
an invincible box of the treasures.
What is it, Nick?
It is Choco treasures. Cute.
Alright, hold it up against this so
Choco.
that everyone can see. It's upside down, kid.
It is?
There you go. What is it?
Choco treasures.
It says Choco Treasure, chocolate and toy treasure. The cutest baby animals inside.
Okay.
Alright.
Now we're gonna lift it down and we're gonna open this switch. Get ready to be the toy shop. Okay. Now I'm opening it up. Sorry. Ooh, little chocolate treasures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What are you doing?
There you go.
9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now. Okay, our first egg we're gonna open now. So it's gonna have chocolate inside if you ever buy these. I'm showing you. Kind of like Kinder eggs. Even more like Kinder eggs. They're like chocolate has decided to become best friends with the cancer. Oh, you want to play chocolate? Come and get it! Okay, finally got it. My dad helped me. Squeeze, squeeze, open. Oh, you gotta lie it. For him. Okay, you can get, oh my gosh.
We'll show the lion.
One. He's in a bag. Get him for you. Guys. Hold hand over him. Look at. Get out of here. Ryan. Oh, get out. Okay. Now my dad will help me open it with the big scissors. Dun dun dun. Okay, he's gonna take it for a second. I'm gonna eat this chocolate. So yummy. Okay, and we have the one who is buzzing, and now he's buzzed. Now. So here's the collector's guide. Well, I'm not sure if I really want any of those. I just want the little animals. I don't know about you guys. Comment below. That's also. Do not eat chocolate, baby. You're not old enough. Okay. Now we're gonna do Choco Treasure number 2. Choco Treasures. Maybe I can start playing with these and make them a theme song. Oh. Oh.
You can even crack it like an egg, babe. Take the other side off first.
So good. Okay, set this to the side so I won't eat it and go crazy with the madness. I need help. Oh!
There.
Okay, that's the trick how to do it, little kids. Don't mind if I do. Ah. I just smell this chocolate. I smell this chocolate.
Press it against the table.
Oh. I wonder if there's a duplicate. I don't know. That's another one. Just what I thought. Done. 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 Okay, here's our another one, which is not as budgy as the other one. Okay. Next egg. Eggy weggy. She's smeggy. That was unexpected. Oh, I'm doing my technique. This is gonna get really messy. Sorry. Okay. Oh. Oops. Oh, sorry, it was a whip. Oh. I think this is telling me like I got that before.
What is it, Nick?
It's stickers. Yay. But I wanted an animal, but still okay. Chocolate treasures. There's it on the back. Oh, that's something to go on the back. Oh my gosh. Okay. Next egg, let's hope we get an animal. Well, maybe you don't because maybe you like the other stuff also. Why is that Lisa? Oh, sorry guys. The chocolate's so yummy. Oh, we're not gonna set aside this. There's a surprise. I think it's another animal. Oh, it's so good. Madman Nicholas. Oh no. Oh man. Hi, stickers. But I didn't really need it. Oh man. Put it down in the comments if you wanted stickers or not. I did. I sure did want them. It's a different batch this time. Okay. Oh, oops. Okay. Let's hope that this new woe has another Choco supply that is not stickers. I would be shocked if there's more stickers because whoever made this must be a sticker confident. I know what's gonna happen, but I have to tell Chocolate's his master. Oh yeah, let's do this.
There.
I think it's another animal. We gotta.
Is it another different figure?
You have to say that in front of the camera. Okay. It's a husky. Kind of a little bit different. The line's kind of cartoony. Okay. Now we will open another egg. So far, the animals are winning. Yay. And treasures, and we got little ducky. You might see him. He's right there. Okay. Okay. I think my dad's gonna show us all the trash that they. My dad just stole some chocolate.
Hey, I'm hungry.
Oh, there he is. It makes sense to eat this. Put everybody in the hot water here. Can you open this? Oh, this guy has sand. Oh, this was thing I don't need to do. And we got a little wino. Cute.
Darn tough.
Up there. I really want a dog. And a polar bear. Oh, it's a panda. Wow. I'm getting what I wanted. And that's probably going to ruin the next pack because I'm not going to have an animal in it because I said that. Okay. Instantly came up. Okay. Oh, yummy. Oh, And it ruined the next day. So, a good thing to not say that. Again. Is this like a put together puzzle? Okay. Oh, good. Awesome. So, it had its own collector's guide. You got a Choco treasure? Let's see. Help. Okay, my dad built it. Okay, my dad built the squirrel, I think. And below is something else. Okay, now we're down to the next thing. Eggy Weggy is the second to last. That was unexpected. Oh. This is Maniac Egg number 1. Get this junk out of there. I don't know how to view all of that junk. Wow, that was really solid. Yes, we got a spot. More cartoony like the lion. Tell you again if you want what it looks like. Look, this guy. My dad gave me the box. Okay. Next thing. Oh. Oh man, our third lion. Do this then. Well, it's okay. Okay. Yeah. This is what we got. We got two. We got. We got one. A lion. Sticker seed. A sticker seed. A husky. A duck. A penguin. A rhino. A panda. A paper squirrel. A fox. And another one. This is Toy House Boy signing off.